Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into another exciting episode of Idioms and Phrases. This time focusing on those that begin with the letter L. These idiomatic expressions are not only fun to learn but also add depth and color to our everyday conversations. So let's jump right in and explore the meanings and examples of these fascinating phrases. The very first one is laughing stock. It means a person or a thing that is the subject of ridicule. For example, after his terrible performance, he became the laughing stock of whole town. Second is leap in the dark. It means a risky action with unknown consequences. For example, starting a new business without any experience is a leap in the dark. Next is leave in the lurch. It means to abandon someone in a difficult situation. For example, when the project got tough, she left her team in the lurch. Fourth is let down. It means to disappoint someone. For example, he promised to help but let me down at the last minute. Next is lick one's boots. It means to excessively flatter or be obsequious to someone, often to gain favor. For example, he always licking the boss boots to get a promotion. Next is loaves and fishes. It means material benefits or rewards, especially when gained dishonestly. For example, the politicians' promises were all about loaves and fishes rather than real change. Another one is look after. It means to take care of someone or something. For example, can you look after my cat while I am on vacation? Another one is look forward to. It means to anticipate something with excitement. For example, I look forward to meeting you next week. Next is look up to. It means to admire or respect someone. For example, I have always looked up to my older brother for his achievements. And last one is lose ground. It means to fall behind or lose an advantage. For example, the company is losing ground to its competitors in the market. That's all for today's video on idioms and phrases starting with L. We hope you enjoyed learning about these expressions and found them useful for your own conversations. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more language tips and fun insights.